Mighty StormGuard rear wiper blades are specifically designed for rear windshield applications. This brief video will take you step by step through the removal and installation on vehicles with cross-pin rear wiper arms. Cross-pin wiper arms are among the easiest to install because you won't need any of the additional adapters, just the wiper blade itself. To remove your current wiper blade, lift the wiper arm as high as it will go and place your hand between the underside of the wiper arm and the wiper blade. Grab the front of the wiper blade with your other hand and pull down until it disengages from the wiper arm. Align the U in the center of the wiper blade with the pin on the underside of the wiper arm and push them together. Give the wiper blade a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Now, remove the plastic protector over the rubber by sliding it off the wiper blade. And finally, lower the wiper arm onto the windshield. That's it, you're done. You now have 360 degrees of superior visibility.